Oh god. No. Oh god. Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm here with my friend Felicia. We've been good buddies since, God, middle school. So I'm going to be glamming her up. We have an event later on today. I'm probably not going to go glammed up, but she is. Because we're late already. So we're going to get started. Moisturize that? Yeah. So I'm priming her skin with the Wet n Wild primer water. And then I'm taking some Smashbox Photo Focus in hydrating in her T-zone. Just a pea-sized amount. Now we're going to be using the Clinique All About Eye Serum. So she can have some refreshed eye bags. So what's up, Felicia? How are you doing?
Good.
Good? Relaxing?
Yeah.
This is nice. Like cool.
Feels good.
Yeah. Alright, so it's really hot outside. It's about, what, like
93.
Yep. So we're going to be using the Wet n Wild in Cream Ivory 107. This is a sponge foundation. It's very nice. You can make it light coverage or medium or full coverage. Look at your face. Get ready. The other side's like super red.
Oh my god.
Right?
Jesus Christ. It's a big difference.
Let's do a little zoom in, guys. Wow, Felicia. let's go like that. Oh god. This is very, like, this one's very nice.
It's like light.
Right?
Nice, yeah.
And like it has a nice coverage. It's like $7, I think.
That's good.
What it was.
I need to start using like a sponge. I never use a sponge when I put it on. I just use my finger.
Like I hate putting like foundations on like daily because I hate the feeling of it.
Really?
But yeah. But this one's like very nice.
This one's really nice. Like it's not thick.
No, not at all.
A lot of the ones, you know, that at least I use are like thick.
Like putting cake in your face.
Yeah.
We're gonna use some light vanilla NARS concealer, radiant creamy concealer.
Until we get to the fun part. You know which fun part is?
Lashes or the eyebrows? What?
When my eyes start watering.
Oh, damn it. I forgot about that.
I remember last time it was very difficult.
Was it Anthony who said, you look the same or something like that, right?
Yeah.
Guys. I was so tempted to go to a Candijh Express today for your house.
Oh, really?
Have you gone?
No, I haven't been there. I never had to appear.
Shut up.
Is it Asian or Chinese?
Chinese, I think.
Don't they have it in the airport? Don't they have it in the airport? Yeah, I've seen it there. I never tried it.
Is that the mall too?
Yeah.
Well, no, at Freehold Mall.
Oh, okay.
When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, Felicia's gonna be eating there.
No, I've never really liked Chinese food like that.
So we're gonna be setting her face with some Huda Beauty and Cupcake. Felicia, you should be honored that I'm using this on you because I just ordered it online.
Oh yeah?
And I just got here. It's not even in the stores yet. Are we like lopsided?
Looks like it.
Sorry. When I got it, I was like doing a little tutorial. It's like so cool. Stupid nails. It's so hard to open. And I literally got it all over my. See?
Oh shit, that's hard. Yeah. It's not good because it's wasting it.
No, it's like 30 something.
I hate when they have those things like that.
It has like a nice little sticker thing. It's very scenty though. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that, but it
smells nice. Actually has like a scent.
Like a grandma scent. Alrighty, so we're sitting. Let me just pat again the concealer so we have no creases. Just try this up. Okay. Do you get oily?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit. So Felicia, what type of girl are you? Bronzy goddess? What's it called? Sultry or whatever it's called.
Not sure.
Guess you'll maybe find out today.
Yep.
Just lightly gonna set the rest of the face. I think it's your shade if I'm not wrong.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Sort of. Alright guys, so we finished up the eyebrows and now we also primed the lids with Soft Ochre Prolonged Paint Pot from MAC. And we did the eyebrows. We cleaned them up with the Mighty Creamy Concealer. So we're just gonna set her eyebrows. We're gonna start with the Lemonade Craze. Again, Felicia, be honored because I haven't used this yet. So you're gonna be the first one.
Wow.
Yeah. My mom said, she's like, "Ooh, this is nice. Where you got it from?" I was like, online.
I love to use it.
Using a fluffy brush, we're gonna go with Size. This is just like a white bone shade. We're just gonna leave that like that for a minute. We're just gonna bronze her skin up and do a little bit of contour and some highlighting because we need highlighting. Don't we? Yes. So we're gonna use the bronzer from Wet n Wild and take it to Brazil. We wish we were going to Brazil. We're not.
Yep.
One day, Felicia. One day.
One day.
When this video becomes
famous.
And we become famous. Felicia's gonna be working with me. We're gonna be traveling the world. Let's just put the vibes out there so it happens. Okay, we're gonna do some contour with the contouring palette from Wet n Wild in Dulce de Leche. Have you ever had Dulce de Leche? No.
Good.
It's like caramel, but it's so much better.
I love caramel.
Much better. Okay, we're gonna be using a Luxie 660 Precision foundation brush, but we're gonna use it to contour. Try to like What did Anthony say? He goes,
About
we come and hear me doing your makeup before.
really?
I told you that we're going to be doing it.
Yeah, I mean, she was like, oh God.
Like, Felicia, you're gonna be famous. So guys, we're just doing little by little here, cause you can go adding, but once, if you go like really heavy handed, that's it. Alright, we're gonna do the X's on the nose. Just gonna do here on the forehead. Some in the jawline. Gonna be using some blush from MAC and Crispy Whites. Remember we bought this
Oh
together?
yeah, that was like,
Yeah.
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
I haven't been there in like.
Yeah, me either. I wanted to go for Memorial Day because you know they have all those sales, but
Yeah,
I never
they're a
got
little
it.
small. I went like literally a year ago with my mom.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be doing some highlighter. We're gonna do some Turn It On Pearl from Smashbox, the powder highlighter. It's the photo strip. We're gonna be using a Morphe Y14. In the high points of the cheek. Right on the tip of the nose. The lip. Just gotta spritz some Fix Plus in gold. Let me open it first. And we're gonna blend this out later on. Once we're done with all of our... Oh, actually, you know what? We're done, so... I mean, we're done with the face solution, not the eye. So we're gonna use some Fix Plus in Gold Light. Again, Felicia, you know her. This is brand new. We're gonna spritz it all over her face so we can melt all the makeup off. And we're getting the blowing curve thingy again. Ready? And we're gonna use a puff just to melt everything together into the face. yourself ready. I'm gonna go over with some Jeffree Star highlighter.
Do you know what Jeffree Star is?
I know who he is. Oh my god, I was about to say
I see his Snapchats.
You do? Yeah.
Really funny.
Is that everything? Look at it again.
Oh wow, that looks good. Yeah. That makes it like really like stand.
Yeah. She's gonna be like, oh Jen, can I come every morning?
Okay, yeah. I know every morning I need a video.
Okay, you can come then. Alright, so we're done with the face. We're going to go into the eyes now. Today we're going to be using the Lemonade Craze, which half of you in Snapchat said they wanted the Lemonade Craze, and then you guys changed your mind and you're like, oh, we want the Huda Beauty review. But first we're going to do the glaze, and then another day we're going to do the Huda. And we're also going to be using the Fenty Beauty one. Look at it.
That's nice.
Alright. So we're gonna go. It kind of smells like sweet tea.
Yeah.
Right?
Wow.
Alright, so I'm gonna use a little taper brush. We're gonna dip into sweet tea. Alright guys, so we're gonna go into, I believe it's the Quicksand one. I hate when they put the names on the back, so I really don't know. We're gonna go with this one all over the lid, and after we're done with that, we're gonna pop some of the strawberry lemonade in the middle. So we had a little issue with our camera, but we did the eyes using the colors that I told you about. Very nice soft moment. And now we're gonna apply her lashes, which is gonna be
very hard.
Alright guys, so we did it. We put them lashes on. She just put in the bottom mascara on. I don't want to poke her eyeball out. So our camera completely died, but here's the final result. Alright, so this is the final product. She looks so pretty, so dewy, so glowy, and she's ready to party. So alright you guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna go party. Bye.